Hi, so I got this request in during the week and it's a nice easy fix. So I just thought I'd do a quick video about it because it's Friday and so no more than 2 minutes and we'll fly through this. I'm working with an expert switch user who's currently using the computer controlled grid set with Internet Explorer to move around web pages. We are trying to encourage him to do this using the next link button, which basically is replicating the tab key in rotating through all the active links on the web page. However, on some web pages, it's not always visible which link is in focus. On some web pages, you can see the broken line around the links as it moves through, but on some web pages it is not. For example, permanent TSB online banking website. Tut tut. Is there any way to make this more visible, i.e. heighten the contrast? Okay, yes there is. So it was Internet Explorer, and we'll look at that first because there's a slightly different way between Internet Explorer and the other browsers now. So just to help you visualize what the request was, I'm pressing the tab key here, and as you can see, because Enable Ireland have a nice website, most of the links are highlighted on this. But if we go to the permanent TSB website, you can see down there in the bottom corner that I am actually going through the links that are in focus. But aside from reading that URL, there's no real way of telling where I am. So if I press enter, I've gone to some link that I don't know what it is. So Internet Explorer still allows us add custom style sheets, and you do that by going to the Internet Options, Accessibility, Format Document using my style sheet, and you browse that style sheet. So I'll just show you how to make that style sheet. Open up a Notepad document and copy this text into it. Now, if you want to pause the video and just type that out, be careful, do it exactly like this. So once you have this into your Notepad file, you save as, it's important. And you don't want to save it as a text document, you want to save it as all files, and then name it. I've named it hover, and just put .css after it. Cascading style sheet. And I will just put that on the desktop. So there it is, it's gone. Close that. So browse to desktop, hover CSS, open, OK, and OK. So now let's just try this. And here we have a little bit of yellow going around. As you can see, that's worked nicely. OK. Now, I didn't know until I tried to do this that Chrome and Firefox have dropped support for adding user style sheets, but there's a workaround for that. So if I go to STLISH and I look for the extension, so there is a Chrome extension called Stylish. There's also one called Stylish for Firefox as well. And they work, they're the same people and they work the same. So I add this to Chrome, right? Read this always when you're installing extensions. If you're suspicious, don't install it. This one's okay, I think, but I'll leave you make your own mind up. Just add that extension. There it is there. Okay, so when this extension is added, manage install styles. Write a new style. Let's copy our text in there again. Okay. Specify when to use it. Just leave that blank and it will use it for every site. And we'll call this hover again. And then save. And then go back to manage. So hover is in there and it applies to everything. So let's try our blank site. Great. So that's your Friday fix, or Fix It Friday. Thank you.